It is essential to know when to cut pampas grass not to overgrow and become destructive as its habit of outgrowing other plants. This could be the inspiration behind you growing your own pampas grass. Whichever the case, this grass is fantastic to grow. You will need to learn how to grow it, how and when you cut back pampas grass, and the overall care is given to this grass. Pampas grass is evergreen grass that blooms in summer and autumn. It is an oriental grass capable of reaching about 10 feet tall and ideal for gardens. It is commonly grown for its interior decoration. Pampas grass has a unique feather-like look and feels that works well with several different decor ideas. Pampas plants require lots of care and maintenance because it's an invasive species and capable of overtaking other plants and trees and crowding them out. This grass is outlawed in most countries for its invasive characteristics. Plant this grass away from other plants to ensure it does not outgrow them. When to cut pampas grass? The best time to trim your plant is late winter or early spring if you want to keep the foliage and use it for decor. In this season, the plumes and leaves are openly giving you feather-like flowers. If you plan to keep any foliage you trim, you will need to prepare it before use. Hang the foliage upside down in a dry and dark location for a week or so. Spray them with hairspray to ensure the seeds stay attached. Once dry, take it down and use it in any way you like. Why is it essential to cut this grass? Pruning is one of the most basic ways to take care of your plants. It is going to keep your plants neat and organized and encourage new growth. When pruned, your pampas grass ends up being more robust and more beautiful. Cutting pampas grass eliminates the ability to outgrow other plants around it. Pampas grass grows very fast and is invasive, and if left without care, it can suffocate flowers, trees, or any plant on the way. Therefore, if you plan on growing some pampas grass, get ready to prune it and cut it back at least once every year. Pampas grass pruning alternatives. We understand, pruning pampas grass is difficult and takes time. It is a challenging process that will leave you with sore feet and muscles, no matter how careful you are. As this grass is growing, some of the leaves may end up dying and falling off. However, because of how bushy pampas grass gets, these leaves may not leave the plant or make it to the ground or soil. To make it look well kept, grab yourself a rake and comb out through the plant. Keep pulling the rake back to you as you use it. It will not help you cut back on the length of your pampas grass, but will help you keep it looking organized around your garden. How to prune this grass? Get the right protective outfit for the job: leather gloves, a long-sleeved shirt or jacket, rugged boots, and full-length trousers. Get your tools ready: large hedge shears, sharp electric chainsaws, or power hedge trimmers. You will require heavy-duty tools because the leaves and plumes are tough. The foliage can reach an average of 10 feet. Add this to how tough the plant is, and you will be able to cut it with only sharp tools. The plumes on pampas grass make a perfect home for mammals to nest during the winter. Before you start cutting, poke around the foliage with a stick to ensure no animal is hiding in. How to cut pampas grass easy. To make trimming and cleaning pampas grass easy, start by binding the old leaves with string, cords, or duct tape. Cut away the leaves near the base of the foliage and leave a tuft about 8 inches tall. Cut the remaining foliage around, ensuring you take care of every tool you use because they are sharp. Once you finish trimming, burn off the remaining stubs or spread them as fertilizer around your grass. Conclusion: if you are looking to prune the old foliage overgrown, you will need the best electric hedge trimmers to make your work easier. Pampas grass can be challenging, and it remains a nightmare to prune for many gardeners in whatever season, winter or spring. A sharp electric trimmer will make your work easier and faster. Pampas grass injures the skin to protect your feet and hands and keep children from playing near it. Besides this, pampas grass is an excellent ornamental grass to grow and have around your home or garden. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.